Watch this video and learn how to draw an April Fool's Day logo. Later on, Artie's friend Larry calls in. And stay to the end for a cartoon break. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie!
Hello.
Are you ready to do a drawing today, Artie?
No, I don't want to do a drawing today. No art today.
No art?
No.
Is this an April Fool's?
Yeah, Artie was just joking. Let's make art. Yeah.
You silly.
Greetings, little artist!
What's up, little artists?
What a carrot-tastic day it is! I'm so happy you are all here.
Let's start, Artie.
Yeah.
Are you ready to get creative?
Okay, let's begin with a grin. Okay, all right, let's start.
Let's start by drawing a circle in the middle of the page. That's going to be the left eye. You don't need to draw it in one go. You can draw little bits at a time until you've got a complete circle. This reminds me of that apple I ate earlier. It's a sort of similar shape.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now let's draw a slightly smaller circle. This is going to be the nose. Again, you can take your time. You don't need to draw the circle all in one go. Just do it in sections.
Okay.
Now let's draw the right eye.
Okay.
Little artists, if Artie's drawing a little bit too fast for you, here's a special message from our friend Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks, Louie. Now let's give our eyes some pupils. We're going to draw a tiny little circle and shade it in black, and then another one on the right, but lower down to make him look cross-eyed.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Hi! Ooh, this is so inspiring.
Oh, thank you.
Makes me want to hop over and draw something too.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Well, that was awkward. Let's draw a mustache under the nose. Draw an S shape, and then a smiley curve, and on the other side, another S shape, and another smiley curve. Now we've got a funny face, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mustache.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Now let's shade our mustache in black. You're going to have to do this very carefully and be patient. You don't want to go outside the lines. Take your time, shade it all in so that it's completely black. That's it, Artie. Artie, do you remember that time Louie tried to grow a mustache? It didn't really work, did it?
Yeah.
He looked really silly and shaved it off the next morning. Now let's shade in the right side. Same thing, Artie. Take your time. There's no rush. We want it to be really nice and neat. Shading in is very relaxing. It can really take your mind off things. Like the fact that I'm hungry and I want my lunch. Great job, Artie. The face is complete.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that's cool. You're a cool cat. Cool cat, cool cat. Once there was a cool cat.
Thank you, Barry. Well, that was a brief visit. Always nice to see Barry Tone, though. Okay, let's put some eyebrows on, Artie. We're going to draw a sort of cloud shape above the eye. That's it. That's it. Now let's shade it in black, a little bit like you did with the mustache. Really patient. Take your time and fill it all in black. Good job, Artie. That's right. Take your time. You seem to be enjoying yourself, Artie. Are you having a good time doing this drawing?
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo! Hey.
Oh, I'm pleased. That's the whole point of art, is to have fun. Now let's draw the right eyebrow. Another cloud shape, sort of cloud shape anyway. And then again, of course, we're going to shade that in black. I was just thinking, Artie, we haven't heard from your friend Larry in Australia for a very long time. He used to message you all the time and do felt times with you and call you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a felt time. Yay, yippee. Oh.
I wonder if it's Larry.
Okay, Artie's here. Hi, Larry. What's going on?
Hey there, Artie. Quick question. How do you get your hair to look so nice? I mean, look at this comb over. It's more like a comb all over.
Oh, it's not that bad, Larry. What's the problem?
Well, no matter how much I comb it, it just flops over like a wet noodle. I want hair that looks as cool as yours.
Okay, first tip, use a hairdryer. It keeps everything looking bushy.
Hairdryer. I can do that. What else?
Try combing it spiky. But don't forget to smile. A good smile makes any hairstyle look awesome.
Like this?
Perfect. And remember, Larry, it's not just about your hair. It's about being confident. If you're confident, you'll look great.
Wow, Artie. You're a hair hero. I'm gonna try your tips right now. Thanks.
Anytime, Larry. I can't wait to see your new style. Bye.
Bye, Artie. Stay stylish.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast.
Yeah.
We're all having a blast. This is a great day, guys. Let's draw a big smiling mouth, Artie. That's right. Now do a big curved section along the top and a little curve on the end. That's it. Another little curve on the right side. Very good. And then let's complete the curve all the way along the bottom up to the top. Don't go anywhere, because coming up, it's a cartoon break. Now we're going to add some teeth inside our mouth, but we're going to be really creative and make the teeth letters. They're going to spell the word day. So the first letter is the letter D. Isn't it nice and quiet without Painty around, Artie?
Yeah. Painty's on vacation. It's so nice and quiet around here without Painty running up, surprising everyone, splishing his Oh, Painty, you came home early! Hide, everyone!
Oh, Painty, now there's green paint everywhere. I'm going to have to clean that up. I'll get to it later, I suppose. Okay, Artie, yes, that's right. Let's do the next letter, the letter A. Remember, we're spelling day. D-A-Y. Artie, do you think it would be really cool if our teeth were actually letters?
No. No.
Yeah, I suppose that's a bit of a silly idea. Well, that's right. Shade everything in between the letters black, and the little bit at the bottom of the A, that's it. Excellent. Now we have to add a letter Y.
This looks great. I'm not sure what it is yet.
You'll see soon, Bunny. It's going to be an April Fool logo. You'll see when it's finished. Did you know, Artie, that on the first day of April every year, people sometimes play silly jokes on each other, and that's why it's called April Fool's Day?
Oh, Artie didn't know that.
Just a little bit more of the mouth to shade in black, and now you can see the word day really stands out once you've shaded everything else in black.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Doesn't it, Betty? Okay, Artie, now we're going to draw a big letter F. This is going to spell the word fools. You'll see later. Let's draw the F first. That's right, just to the side of the eyes. You know why?
No.
Because the eyes are going to be the O's.
I don't know what this drawing is, but I like it. I like it. Oh, yes, I like it.
Barry, you've started all the neighbourhood dogs off again. They're all barking. Ugh. Oh, that's it, Artie, yes. There's a letter L. So do you see now? The two I's make the letters O-O. F-O-O-L. And now Artie's drawing the S. It says fools. It looks really good, Artie.
Oh, could I have a cartoon break, please?
Well, of course you can, Artie.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
This is one of my favorite paintings. It's called Sunday in the Park.
Look at all those people. I see some doggies too.
The artist is George Seurat, and it's made using a technique called pointillism.
Pointillism?
Get close up to the painting, and you can see it's made from tiny dots.
Is that the point?
Moving on. Look at this painting, Mikey.
They're having lunch in the same park.
It's a different park. It's called Luncheon on the Grass by Edward Monet.
All these artists have fancy names.
Well, Mikey, this artist was French.
I like French fries.
I know, Mikey. This type of art is called the style.
I could paint this one.
Well, that's what's wonderful about art.
Let's go get a square meal.
The paintings are making you hungry, Mikey?
Get it? Square meal?
This artist was called Mondrian. He often used squares in his art and possibly his meals.
Cartoon break, we had a cartoon break.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Now, the last thing we're going to do is add a hat. It's going to be a joker's hat. So first of all, draw a little circle. That's going to be the bell. And then a big swirly S shape coming from the bell. We should get a joker's hat for you, Artie, because you're always joking around.
Very funny. Yeah.
That's looking good, Artie. Oh, how about one more bell on the right side? Just a tiny little circle, and then another big curve shape going to that circle. Nice job, Artie.
Oh, my carrots! That's so creative.
It sure is, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's draw the bottom part of the hat. A nice big curve all the way across to connect those three pieces together. And underneath, we're going to draw the word April. That's 5 letters, starting with an A. Then the next one. Do you know what it is, Artie?
P.
That's right, P. Draw a little P next to the A. And then next up is letter R.
How clever!
Sure is.
Do you think you can draw an R, Artie?
Yeah.
Little artists, if you don't know how to draw letters yet, you can get a grown-up to help you with this part of the drawing. Artie's been practicing really hard on his letters lately, haven't you, Artie?
Yeah.
There's letter I. Oh, and the very last letter is L for Larry. Your friend Larry from Australia. That's it. Wow, it looks really good. What a great job, Artie. I think it's finished. What do you think?
I'm finished.
I thought you were. You should add some colour.
Yeah, it's coloring time. Ooh. All done.
It looks excellent, Artie. I love all the bright colours, and especially the red nose. Great job.
Bye, Artie!
Hey, kids, have a great day.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
Oh boy, that was fun. So much fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Uh-oh.